And over the Kartavya Path now is Prahar formation comprising one Dhruv advanced light helicopter carrying the Operation Sindoor flag of the Indian Army along with Rudra ALH WSI of the Indian Army and ALH Mark 4 of the Indian Air Force. Formation led by Colonel Vijay Pratap Sena Medal. ALH WSI flown by Lieutenant Colonel Ahmed Pasha and ALH Mark 4 flown by Group Captain Arunav Pal. Prahar formation led today by Colonel Vijay Pratap Sena Medal. The Indian Air Force marching contingent comprising 4 officers and 144 airmen, and on top of the Kartavya Path you can see the Sindoor formation now flying over the skies, comprising 2 Rafale, 2 Sukhois, 2 MiG-29, 1 Jaguar fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Formation led by Group Captain Raghuvanshi. The contingent on Kartavya Path of the Indian Air Force led by Squadron Leader Jagdish Kumar. Other officers, Squadron Leader Nikita Chaudhary, Flight Lieutenant Prakhar Chandrakar and Flight Lieutenant Dinesh as supernumerary officers. Each step moving forward to achieve their motto, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam.
And now comes the Veterans Tableau themed Sangram Se Rashtra Nirman Tak. The front tractor portion symbolizing Sangram features a striking 3-dimensional circular wall depicting iconic war machines. Crowning the wall is the symbolic Amar Jawan Jyoti, a solemn tribute to the fallen heroes whose supreme sacrifice secured the nation's freedom and integrity. And now comes the Tri-Services Tableau of Indian Defence Forces depicting Operation Sindoor, victory through jointness, symbolizing the collective strength, unity and integration of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force in safeguarding national sovereignty. Victory through jointness embodies the transformation of India's defence forces into a future-ready, technology-driven and mission-oriented forces. The Indian Coast Guard band led by the Uttam Adhikari Bapanur Ji Babu is marching to the resonant and stirring tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha.
के बाद अब भारतीय तट रक्षक बल का दस्ता सलामी मंच के साथ हमारे समुद्र के प्रहरी, और इस दस्ते का नेतृत्व कर रही हैं कंटिजेंट कमांडर ऋषि शर्मा। वयम रक्षामः, हम रक्षा करते हैं का ध्येय भारत की समुद्री शक्ति और सुरक्षा की प्रतिबद्धता के परिचायक ये सैनिक भारत के 11,098 किलोमीटर तक फैले समुद्र तट की रक्षा इनके कंधों पर।